YouTube. Back with another video. Me and my boy Casper. Come here, boy. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? The boy turned 10 weeks. This Sunday, he 9.5 weeks. We finna do a little play session. Yeah, boy. 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 Give me a ring. Give me a ring. Give me a ring. Give me a ring. Yeah. Give me a ring, boy. Give me a ring, boy. See how he bite now? Yeah, that boy mean business. Give me that. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Yeah. Tough little pussy. It only 10 weeks, 9.5, excuse me. Give me that ring. 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 Let me get that ring. Let me get that ring. Let me get that ring. See, he won't let go. He won't let go. Yeah, that boy mean business in 9.5 weeks. This is what y'all be wanting y'all dogs at 2 years old. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Look at that. He mean business. Give me that ring. Give me that. That's my ring. Give me that. Give me that. Uh-oh. Go here, boy. Go here, boy. Look at it. He want it. He want it. He want it bad. Look at it. Woo. Woo. Give me a ring. Give me a ring. Give me a ring. Some of y'all dogs, a year old, they can't even hold the grip. Can't even hold the bite. This boy 9.5 weeks. Look at it. Look at it. He on the ground. Still holding. Look at it. Put a little tension on it. He gonna get up. Watch this. All I gotta do is put a little tension. Watch this. So, watch this. Good boy. 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 Yeah. Yeah. This boy ain't let go yet. He a pup. He a pup. Look at it. I got a 9.5 week old puppy that got more game than y'all grown dogs. And I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm going on record saying it. Give me that boy. Give me that boy. Give me that boy. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. Give me that ring. This ain't getting edited either. Y'all see how long this boy holding it. Give me that ring. 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 Give me that. Give me that. Give me that ring. I snatched it out of the mouth. Watch. Ooh. 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 Give me that ring. Give me that ring. We'll be back with another one, man.